The top 3 questions I get asked all the time. Is the housing market going to crash in 2025? Should I buy now or wait? Will the 3% interest rate ever come back? It's been a wild real estate ride in the last 5 years, especially now it's a new administration in 2025. A lot of people are feeling uncertainty. So today's video is going to break down and go over the latest real estate data and stats. Whether you're thinking about buying homes or selling your existing homes, stick around till the end. The country's median existing home sales price in January 2025 was $396,900, according to NAR. That's a 4.8% increase over last year. There are more homes for sale now, but not enough to meet demand. According to NAR, there were 1.18 million unsold homes in January 2025. That's a big increase, about 16.8% more than last year. But again, it's still not enough to create a balanced market. Right now, the number of homes available would last about 3.5 months at the current sales price. A healthy market usually needs around 5 to 6 months of supply. This means buyers still face competition and home prices may stay high because there aren't enough houses to go around. Since home prices are still high and the mortgage rates are expensive, fewer people can afford to buy. Because of this, homes are taking a little longer to sell. In January 2025, the average home stayed on the market for 41 days before selling, which is 5 days longer than the 36-day average from a year ago. In January 2025, more homes were sold than a year before, increasing by 2%. This also makes the 4th month in a row that home sales have gone up. What about mortgage rates? According to Bankrate, the average 30-year fixed mortgage rate as of early March was 6.72%. So this is a reality of the situation. Are we facing a full-blown housing market crash in 2025? The answer is most likely no, based on those numbers. Now let's move on to this very important question. Should you buy a home today? The answer is yes, if you can afford to buy a home, or if you really need to buy a house. Maybe your family is growing and needs more rooms, or you need to relocate, whatever it might be. So this applies to most housing market situations you can think of. Now let's face it, are you going to time the perfect housing market with your exceptional market analysis skills? What about interest rates? The shelter category of the CPI, which includes housing cost, still plays a big role in keeping inflation high. In February, shelter increased 0.3% month over month. Due to the current elevated CPI and inflation, it's likely that interest rates will not see a significant decrease in 2025, and some economists even predict a pause. As I always say, lowering interest rates can be inflationary. This is because lower interest rates increase the amount of money available for borrowing, which can lead to increased demand and higher prices, aka inflation. So as of today, it doesn't seem like we're seeing 3% interest rates anytime soon. If we see some decrease in inflation, we might see a little interest rates drop, but not significantly. I'm going to keep you updated on this topic, so stay tuned and I'll see you next time.